Dirang is a small hill town in the West Kameng district in Arunachal Pradesh in India. It have located about 42 km from Bomdila. It have located in East Himalayas range and 4,910 feet above from sea level. Dirang is a green picturesed valley in between Bomdila and Tawang.A. Its weather have too much mild, silent and comfortable. Dirang is the gateway of Tawang. It is famous for hot water springs, the wonderful fruits, kiwi and plums, and also green apples. Nearest village, Nigmadung, having national yak research and breeding center. Here is the tourist attraction Sangitri Valley located 7 km away from Dirang town. Here is the another attraction place Kalachakra Kempa village, which is over 500 years old. The people only follows Buddhism as well as others who love the silent atmosphere. Dirang town villagers near roadways shopkeepers selling different attractive fruits to all upcoming tourists. At overall, Dirang is the very nice, clean, green, fresh, silent hill village tourist town.